Hi guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Speedrun 4 again. Just look at me go. If you remember the last time I played this, I bought a... oh, what was it?
Trail?
Yeah, a trail.
Trail to follow you. Oh.
Mhm.
How? Are you stuck?
Yep. Oh, cool, getting to that island. Dang it. Let's see if I can... oh, no, I can't jump through the waterfall. I didn't make it to the waterfall. I need to make it to the waterfall so I can jump through it.
Like that.
Just like... okay, so the waterfall doesn't kill you. Good to know. Okay. I already have 12 cards. So, I'm going to pause the video for a bit so I can get to the like at least level 5. Okay? So I'll see you guys then. I made it to level 5, guys. The sketch level. This is a sketch level.
Sketch free. Sketch level. Sketch free.
I'm going to I will hopefully make it to level 11 and farther before the end of this video. And my sister is glaring at me, so I think I'll stop the music. Sorry. Oh. Well, still, I don't want to distract you, really.
Yeah, you distract me so much. You distract me so much that I lost my pencil. Why don't you get the card? Oh wait, you got it.
Yes, once upon a time.
Uh-oh.
Crap.
Oh, no,
I'm gonna have to do that again. I wonder what the music's like now. I really like the music. Clear boxes. This is my most favorite music out of all of them.
Right now.
It's my most favorite out of all of them. Although this one I like as well. And look at the pangoos. The pangoos! Look at all them pangoos! The pangoos!
They're walls that block you. They're ugly.
I like the pangoos anyways.
Yeah.
And the music is also nice. It was well chosen and themed.
Nyan Cat.
Level 7 is the worst one. This is the worst one out of all of them.
The hardest one?
No, the worst one.
Worst?
Why do you
say worst?
Because that's literally what it is. The worst level.
I like the music.
Yes, the music just makes it... the music is nice. Again, level 3's music.
I got you. It's fun.
I didn't know that was possible. I just wanted to try it. And yesterday we started watching Pokemon Black and White. So now I'm watching 4 different Pokemon series. 4 out of 5. XYZ. I'm not watching XYZ. Dang it.
We do watch it.
You watch X. I watch XY.
Oh, wait, right. Sounds like a Mario Castle.
But it matches the theme. The creator of this game chose the
right music for the right level.
made the level theme and then the music. This is another one of my overall favorites.
Building jumpers.
It kind of reminds me of Batman now that I think of it. I think this is level 10. Yep, it's level 10. Just listen. I don't think you can hear it that well.
Hey, you got the car.
Because I already got it. No! Dang it, I failed. At least I know what to do whenever I get into that situation now. The music reminds me of Mega Man, but what I'm doing in the level reminds me of Batman or something like that. I mean, who else can you think of that jumps on buildings? Darn it.
Spider-Man?
Yeah, but he's not a rooftop person. Starting again. See, look, here's level 11.
I like the sound.
I think it's a Wait For It song. Not sure though.
Friendly music. Get the squid.
Yeah, this definitely seems like Wait For It music. Here, listen. I don't think you can hear it, but because it's so low. I'm considering turning it up. Yos. I made it past level 11.
No, level 10.
11.
This is level 10.
This is level 12. Now just listen. This reminds me so much of Undertale.
Whatever. It's alright.
Yep.
Good. Collect the card.
It's for a castle level though. Dang it! What's that? Just listen. Let it soothe you. Let it calm you. Let its happiness seep into your soul. Let yourself be happy and upbeat from listening to this.
What are the cards for?
This is a sketch level again. The sketch level song.
Wait, the cards turn when you get them?
Mm-hmm. Dang it, I thought I was doing that one. Level 30 is the final level. I think this is a different music now. That floats. I am so determined to
It's
beat
the
this
reverse
list.
sketch.
It's a sketch on black paper.
With white crayon pencil. Or something.
Mm-hmm. Another ice level. But this time, no penguins.
And mixed
It's
with
Ice
castle.
Castle. And it has that pengu level music.
Yeah, penguin. Except there are giant pengu eggs.
No, those are igloos.
They look like pengu eggs.
Oh, this is amazing. I love this one.
That's cool.
A sand level again. Sand plus castle.